Welcome back, dear listeners, to another tantalizing episode of In the Kitchen Campania Chronicles. This time, we find ourselves on the picturesque island of Ischia, famed for its volcanic landscapes and thermal spas. I'm your host, James Johnson, ready to guide you through a culinary mystery of legendary proportions. Today, our food sleuth, Karen, embarks on a quest to uncover the secrets behind the island's iconic dish, Coniglio alla Ischitana, or Ischia rabbit. Get ready to hop into a story that's as flavorful as it is fascinating. Our intrepid food detective, Karen, steps onto the lush terrain of Ischia, her mission clear: to discover the authentic recipe for Coniglio alla Ischitana. With its roots steeped in tradition, this dish is a staple of the island's cuisine, and Karen is determined to uncover the secret that makes it so special.
Ischia, a paradise of sun and sea, and hopefully, a place where I can unlock the delicious mystery of the Ischia rabbit. Adventure awaits, and I'm ready to savor every moment.
Karen's first stop is a bustling local market, alive with the aromas of fresh herbs and produce. Here, she hopes to gather clues from the locals, each with their own take on the classic dish.
Buongiorno, signora. Interested in something to cook?
Actually, I'm on the hunt for the perfect recipe for Coniglio alla Ischitana. Any tips or secret ingredients I should know about?
The rabbit. A dish close to every Ischion's heart. It's all about the right mix of herbs and a touch of love. But if you want the true secret, you should speak to Nonna Maria. She's known for her legendary rabbit.
With a knowing nod, the vendor directs Karen to a quaint villa nestled in the hills, home to the renowned cook, Nonna Maria, whose reputation for culinary mastery precedes her. She arrives at the charming villa, its garden brimming with fragrant herbs. Nonna Maria is already busy in her kitchen, the heart of her home.
Nonna Maria, I've heard your Coniglio alla Ischitana is the stuff of legends. Would you share your secrets with a humble food sleuth?
My dear, the secret is simpler than you think. Fresh rosemary, garlic, and a good splash of local wine. That's what makes the rabbit sing. But don't forget, it's the slow cooking that brings out the flavors.
She watches as Nonna Maria deftly prepares the dish, her hands moving with the grace of years of experience. The aromas fill the room, promising a meal that's as comforting as it is delicious.
I must say, this smells divine. Is there anything else that elevates the dish?
Fresh tomatoes, my dear. They add a touch of sweetness and patience. Of course, good things come to those who wait.
With the recipe in hand and her curiosity satisfied, Karen takes a seat at the table, eager to taste the dish as she savors the first bite. The flavors are rich and harmonious, a true testament to the island's culinary heritage.
This is truly exquisite, Nonna Maria. Thank you for sharing your culinary wisdom. It's clear that the real magic of Ischia lies in its simplicity and tradition.
It's my pleasure, Cara. Remember, cooking is an art best shared with others. Now, enjoy the sunset and a glass of Pediraso. It pairs perfectly with the rabbit.
As the sun sets over the island, casting a golden glow, Karen reflects on her journey. The secrets of Coniglio alla Ischitana revealed, she finds herself not just with a recipe, but with a deeper appreciation for the island's rich culinary traditions. And so, dear listeners, as the day ends on Ischia, Karen leaves with a newfound respect for the island's flavors and stories. Join us next time on In the Kitchen Campania Chronicles as we continue our delicious exploration of Campania, one dish at a time. Until then, may your meals be as rich as your adventures. Buon appetito!